A lot of local business owners are reaching out. They're looking for storefronts, office, industrial buildings, and they see it advertised as base rent plus NNN. So I'm getting a lot of questions lately. What is NNN and what does this include? So that's a great question. NNN is triple net, and it stands for taxes, insurance, and common area maintenance. So those are the three additional charges on top of the base rent. Basically, insurance and taxes are, we all know what those are. CAM is common area maintenance. That's like your parking lot, snow removal, landscaping, exterior lighting, maybe some management fees and things of that nature. So when you are looking and doing the math and running the numbers on what you can afford or budgeting, you always want to add the triple net numbers, find out what the property taxes are, the insurance, and look at the maintenance costs from the prior year. That gives you a good indicator on what you're looking at in the future. So if you have any questions or you need any help at all analyzing any kind of deals or looking for a deal, give me a call. Love to help you out. Have a blessed day.